Hello students, today we will start the third chapter of history, that is the phases of earliest society part 2. We will continue this chapter with topic pottery, tools, burials, houses. But before that students, let's discuss the question answers that I have given you in our last class. So the first question was purpose. Animals such as donkeys, horses were used. So I've told you that animals such as donkeys, horses were domesticated for transportation and to plough the field. And the second homework question was, what is Neolithic Revolution? Important changes during that take place during this period is termed as Neolithic Revolution. Now the third homework question was, the invention of wheel made life easier and comfortable. How? And the answer is, it made life easier and comfortable as the potter's wheel was used to improve pottery making. They could go from one place to another in much easier and faster than before. Now students, will start our topic. Before continue this topic pottery, we'll revise the topic which we have discussed in our last class. So students, in our last class we learn about the topics that how did humans produce food. In this topic we learned that how humans learned that how to grow food grains, and they also learned how to collect and store these food grains in granaries so that they can use these food grains in the non-seasons, means the seasons in which the food grains cannot be grown. And the next one topic was herding and rearing animals. With the changes in climate, with the development in grasslands, the number of animals also increased, and with the number of increasing in animals, early humans also learned the herding and rearing of animals. And the next topic, learn to keeping the animals for their different uses. And the last topic of the class was invention of wheel. How invention of wheel made easier the life of early humans in different ways. Now we'll continue our today's topic, pottery. So students, in today different types of utensils and pots. Have you ever think that why we need all these utensils and pots? Simple answer, that we need all these utensils and pots to store something like food grains, water, milk and so on, and for cooking food. So that time also early humans needed pottery to store the food grains and to cook food. So it was necessary to store grains, food, milk and water. And the pottery of clay and ceramic was common during that period. So that time during Neolithic period, pottery of clay, clay means fine soil, मीन्स मिट्टी के बर्तन, और सिरामिक चीनी मिट्टी के बर्तन उसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉमन थे, यूज में थे. एंड दे मेक क्ले pottery which was shaped by hand and then baked on fire. So that time potters used to make clay pottery on potter's wheel. So students, during early stages early humans used to make clay pottery which they used to shape it with hands. तो वो अपने हाथ से ही उसको शेप किया करते थे. And baked on fire. But with the changes in time, they started making pottery on potter's wheel after the invention of wheel. And in early stages, means during early time period, the pottery was means uncovered. It was the pottery was bare, stripped. It was uncovered, undecorated. But with the changes in time, with the developments take place, they used to glaze the pottery and decorate it with different designs. And what was the use of these potteries? Pottery were used to store things and for cooking food such as rice, wheat and lentils. Lentils, different types of pulses, दालें, अलग अलग तरह की दालें. Now our next one topic is tools. So what are the use of tools? In our daily life, we use different types of tools for cutting, chopping, for grinding. So that time also, early humans need different types of tools for different purposes. But what is the difference between the tools of today and tools of Neolithic period? So the tools of Neolithic period was made up of stone, bones and horns of animals. तो उस समय के जो tools होते थे वो स्टोन के बने होते थे, बोन्स हड्डियों के, और जानवरों के हॉर्न सींग के बने हुए होते थे. बट नाउ डेज वी यूज टूल्स ऑफ मेटल्स एंड सो ऑन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, tools were well shaped, polished and had sharp ends. So that time also early humans used to shape it, polish and make a sharp end of the tools. Now humans use tools like axes and sickles. So उस समय वो axes कुल्हाड़ी का और sickles हंसिए का इस्तेमाल करते थे. We all know that sickles are used for farming. So axes and sickles both were used for ploughing. And the next one is mortars and pestles. Hope you all know mortars and pestles. So what are mortars? ओखली and मूसल, जो कि हमारे घर में कॉमन होता ही है. Nowadays we are using less of mortars and pestles, but early humans used this mortars and pestles for grinding grains. And next one, bone tools such as harpoons. Harpoon is a type of tool which was used to catch fishes, and it was made up of bones, were used for fishing. Tools like spearhead भाला, arrowhead तीर के शेप का एक जो हमारा टूल, and dagger means खंजर, were used for hunting. So that time mainly these tools, spearhead, arrowhead and daggers were used for hunting. Now our next one topic is burials. What's the meaning of burials? Burials are smarak, samadhi. Students, nowadays also when someone is dead, people used to show their respect by offering some flowers and by offering some prayer to the person who is dead. So that time also, when any of the person dies, his and friends of dead people generally paid respect by keeping the things, objects of that person with him or her. So burials are the ground was dug and a pit was made in which they placed. So that time ground was dug, जमीन पे गड्ढा किया जाता था और फिर उसमें उस डिसीज्ड, उस मरे हुए इंसान की डिसीज्ड जो भी डेड बॉडी होती थी उसके साथ उसके सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स कवर कर दिए जाते थे. दिस ब्यूरियल, the ground was dug and a pit was made in which they placed the deceased and the object and cover it. So they used to keep the objects of the person with the dead body, and such an arrangement was called burial. ऐसे एक पूरे अरेंजमेंट को जिसमें मृतक के साथ उसके सामान को भी दफन कर दिया जाता था, that is known as burial. Many burial sites found at मेहरगढ़. ऐसे कई सारे burial sites मेहरगढ़ में पाए गए. That is in present day ईरान, जो कि आज के present day ईरान में है. and Barzhom. Barzhom is the place which is around situated 16 kilometer northeast of Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. And Barzhom is the first archaeological site in the country which discovered the existence of Neolithic settlement. So students, one more thing, important thing about burial is that the early humans or the humans of Neolithic period thought that the person who is dead, if the goat is covered with the dead body, the person can use this goat as food in his or her next life, because it was their mindset that there is life after death. So the things which is buried with the dead body or the deceased can be used or can serve this these things in his or her next life. Now our next one topic is houses. Houses are very important. We all need house to protect ourselves from weather, from wild animals and so on. So that time also houses were very important. And houses of Neolithic period was very different from the houses of Paleolithic and Mesolithic age. And what was the difference? Because the houses of Neolithic period were made mainly of mud, brick, dried and plaster coated and on walls. तो वो मड ब्रिक के ईंटों के बने हुए थे सूखी ईंटों के, एंड उस पे कोटेड प्लास्टर होते थे, दीवार पे मड से प्लास्टर होते थे. एंड द हाउसेस वर आल्सो कॉल्ड लॉन्ग हाउसेस. Doesn't matter the size of house was big or small, but they were also called long houses. Now the house was divided into areas. Like nowadays also in our houses there's a drawing room, there is a bedroom, there's a kitchen, bathroom and different places. So that time also it was divided, the internal area of the house was divided into different parts, and the part was sleeping area, common life area and an enclosed field at the back of the house. And what was the use of that enclosed field? एक उनके घर के साथ एक फील्ड जुड़ा हुआ होता था घर के पीछे, and that was mainly to domesticate the animals. वो खासकर पशुओं को पालने के लिए होता था. Now 20 or 30 people could have lived in each house. माना जाता है कि 20 से 30 लोग रहते थे हाउस में, एंड 5 to 8 हाउसेस इन सेम लोकेलिटी. एक ही एरिया में 5 से 6 घर मिला के जो उनका कॉम्बिनेशन होता था, दैट वाज कॉल्ड विलेजेस. People in Neolithic age mostly lived in settled societies. Now our next one topic is life during Neolithic revolution. So students, this topic will continue in our next class. I have given you some homework questions in PDF which you have to complete. So read the chapter properly and try to purchase your textbook as soon as possible. If you have already purchased, just read the chapter and complete your question answers properly.